What's going on, everyone? We have to talk about Shiba Inu today. So a lot of things are going on with Shiba Inu. As you can see, we had another drop and a lot of people are scared. A lot of people are thinking we're about to dip really hard here. There's so much fear, uncertainty, and doubt with Shiba Inu. So what we need to talk about today is what Shiba Inu is doing. Remember, I do not want to do many technicals here because I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And the technicals, they just go out the window whenever you have something that's going down by so much, something that's really led by the media right now. So really, these technicals mean nothing with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu could break out anytime, it could fall anytime. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but I definitely believe Shiba Inu is still on the rise. Like, we still have to watch out for Shiba Inu and all these other cryptos, because you have to remember the cryptos are only going down because FUD, so they're consolidating. They're having a major correction. Bitcoin has these major corrections every single year. Shiba Inu is now having these major corrections. Like, we always have major corrections after we have major growth. Like, look at this. Way back here inside of 2017, when we had that huge run up in 2017, it went down from $2,000 all the way up to $18,000, all the way up to $19,000 really, and then it started dropping again, and then it started to go all the way down. So Bitcoin did not reach 19,000 from 2017 all the way up until 2020. It finally reached the same height inside 3 years later. So I'm saying this to put things into perspective. Let's say if all cryptos keep going down, right? If every single crypto keeps going down and then you keep buying in, you keep dollar cost averaging, when we go up in the next 3-year run, if it's like that, and if it's not like how we just go up next year, so if we just wait 3 years like we did in 2017 instead of just going crazy in 2022, then we would see a huge jump there. So right now I'm saying this because we're seeing a lot of different drops in like all crypto. And remember, everything follows Bitcoin. Every single crypto out there follows Bitcoin, and Bitcoin only has a $598 billion market cap at 11.67% in the last 24 hours. So that's crazy right there. Honestly, with Shiba Inu is following Bitcoin too. So whenever Bitcoin decides to go off, it decides to take off, that's when Shiba Inu will take off. So we don't know when it'll take off. We only know it's coexists with Bitcoin and all these other cryptos. So we are following Bitcoin, and that's why I said I just want to throw the technicals out the window, because in reality, like, when you're doing technicals and all, like, you can't really tell like stuff like this and when it's going to blow up, when it's going to go crazy. Like, it's nearly impossible to tell when something like this is going to go crazy, right? That's why I didn't want to focus too much on technicals today. I wanted to talk really about what Shiba Inu has going on. So look over here. Sheep once more being part of the advance of humanity, Sheep Army. So yes, as cryptos go down, as Dogecoin goes down, Bitcoin goes down, and as Shiba Inu goes down, we have good news coming in every day. This is just building up. This is just a build up here, and it's waiting, it's consolidating, it's waiting until we have a moment to break out. Even if we get Shiba Swap right now, there's so much FUD and fear, uncertainty, and doubt going around. I do not believe they want to release Shiba Swap while we have all this fear. So I don't know if they will release it until all this FUD is going away. So everyone needs to get rid of the fear, the uncertainty, the doubt, so then they can just go ahead and drop Shiba Swap, because I really do feel like they're waiting for that to, they're waiting for all this fear, uncertainty, and doubt to go away so they can drop Shiba Swap. So that is something we have going on here. So another huge thing, look at this. Happy to announce a $25 million grant program for existential risk reduction enabled by the generosity of crypto pioneer Vitalik Buterin and the Shiba Inu community. So Shiba Army is responsible for this. We'll open the application portal as soon as we can and hope you'll apply with great ideas. So this is huge right now. They have a $25 million grant program. This is huge. Vitalik Buterin is donating so much money with Shiba Inu because he had so much Shiba Inu. $25 million. I mean, the whole Shiba community is to thank for this. So we're all putting in our work here. We're all, we all play a part inside of this. So yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just going over the stuff here. Look, in Vitalik Buterin, he even retweeted this on his page. So this is big right now. He announced it on his page. They announced it on theirs. So Shiba Inu is really being used to help a lot of people out there. So much is going on here with Shiba Inu right now. So you cannot deny the fundamentals that Shiba Inu has in place right now. That's why I really don't want to go over these technicals, because remember, anything can happen with the technicals. A tweet from Elon Musk can send it going up, and a bad tweet from him can send it going down. So anything can happen. That's why right now I'm holding Shiba Inu for the long run. So Even if we weren't to have a breakout really soon, I know we would have it in the long run. So remember, do not invest more than what you're willing to lose. And also, if you're trying to get rich overnight, just do not do it, and never put more than like 5% of your portfolio inside of a risky investment like this. So with all that said, Shiba Inu has so much going on for it. I know it's gonna like continue to rise in the future. Like, all right, let's look at our Shiba Inu whales here. So we have a total of 486,000 people holding Shiba Inu, right? This top wallet right here, I believe this is the burn wallet where they burned all that Shiba Inu. So 41% of Shiba Inu has already been burned. $2.8 billion. That's to put things in perspective. $2.8 billion. And when you kind of think about $2.8 billion, right? You go all the way down here and then you look at where we are with Shiba Inu. Let's go. Oh, wow. I think we are number 32. I don't know why I went all the way down that low. 38 now. Wow, we've been losing so much market cap. Well, look, $2.78 billion in market cap. That's what it's saying over here with coin market cap. But another thing you have to watch out for with stuff like coin market cap, I believe they're honestly wrong there, because the value of the burn wallet is 2.8 billion itself. This one wallet is the burn wallet and it's 2.8 billion itself. So I guess they're not counting that. I mean, that's the only possible way. It's the only explanation for this, that they're not counting that burn wallet. So if they're not counting the burn wallet and they're starting here at the $495 million wallet, then that makes sense. You know, that adds up. So yeah, I guess they're not counting this, and it would make sense that they're not counting the burn wallet, because this money is now money that's just floating in thin air, money that no one would ever get back. You know, crypto.com they sent 5 million over here. So there's Shiba Inu being burnt every day. So as you can see, Shiba Inu coins are being burnt every single day. This is the burn wallet. They never buy anything from it, or they never sell anything out of this. You know, stuff just goes in. And the age is 22 days VB Vitalik Buterin. So actually, this might not even be the burn wallet. Maybe it's Vitalik Buterin. But I don't know. It's kind of hard because it says 22 days ago. Maybe that's when the Shiba Inu burn started having. But that's why I'm saying, not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I don't 100% know if this is the burn wallet, but it is the top wallet. And look, there's crypto being sent to this wallet every single day. I mean, they're being sent from these huge exchanges. Binance, we got crypto.com. We have a lot of different big exchanges sitting to this wallet. So it could be a burn wallet, could not. Nobody is 100% sure. It's impossible to be 100% sure with something like this. So yeah, looking over here, we have the Binance wallet right here. We have the India COVID crypto relief fund. This is another huge major factor we have to think about with Shiba Inu here. So the last time they sold was actually 14 days ago. So 14 days ago, that dip was because of the selling there. 10.1 billion Shiba Inu coins sold, but that was a while ago, only 14 days ago. And then the last buy they did was 12 days ago. So look, there's still money going into the India COVID relief fund. 6.3 million Shiba Inu went into it. So there's still people donating to that through Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is still doing good things on that side of the spectrum there. So yeah, we have the COVID relief fund. We have Binance. We have crypto.com, the wallet over there, 157 million. We have How It Do. We have FTX Exchange. So they actually have the names here for all the exchanges. So this is huge right now. I mean, all these different whales in here have so much money in them, but not as much money as Dogecoin whales. Dogecoin whales have so much more money. But if all these whales are still holding all this Shiba Inu, that definitely says I want to be holding my Shiba Inu inside the future, because looking over here, this whale has not sold since 51 days ago, and they sold at a loss. If you think about it, 51 days ago, or maybe not a loss, but look at this, 128 billion. They sold 128 billion Shiba Inu coins, and then 20 billion, then 10 billion. So when I say the FUD, the fear, uncertainty, the doubt, when I say that people are selling out, the whales are, pulling rugs, I really mean it. But not all of them are doing it. They're not doing it all the time. But you got to remember, people are doubling down on all these cryptos. You can see people are still buying more and more and more cryptos. Everything is going crazy with like these crypto markets. Let's go over here and look at the one of the lower wallets, honestly, to see where the millionaires are doing. So Etherscan. Let's back up here to see what we have. All right. Loading. All right, here it is. So let's go to the next page and see where they are with that. So yeah, we have $6 million here, 8 million. All right, there's so much money just flowing through here. But this wallet right here bought 94 million Shiba Inu coins and then 175 billion Shiba Inu coins 43 days ago from Hobbit. That's huge right there. They bought a lot of Shiba Inu 43 days ago. Haven't sold any, haven't bought any more. Just bought it 43 days ago, still holding it. So really, if they bought 43 days ago, they most likely bought when everything was really high. So that's definitely terrible right there. They bought when everything, actually no, 43 days ago they did not buy when everything was high. At 43 days ago, they probably got it right around here. And that is actually a pretty good point to be at because I doubt we're going to go that low. So this whale is just riding the wave. They know if they hold it, they're going to have a lot more money in the long run. And that is something to look at. If they have a total of like $6 million, right? And this $6 million was only like 6K, right? This $6 million was probably about 6K when they first bought it. And then it turned into 6 million. And now they see if they continue to hold it, this 6 million can turn to 600 million. So their $6,000 will have them at 600 million if they continue to hold it. And that's what they're seeing here. Like they know Shiba Inu is about to go crazy. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Just looking at the whales here and paying attention to what they do, because what they do, we need to follow. So look at this Robinhood, the petition for Robinhood. It is one of the most popular petitions on change.org. So that is another major catalyst that we have, because this petition, at the time of this article, it only had about 86,000 people who signed up, but now we have 120,000 people that signed up for the Robinhood petition for Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is about to be on Robinhood. That's another major catalyst there. So should Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, and other cryptocurrencies be a part of your investment portfolio? That's a huge question there for someone to ask. So let's just go ahead and read what we have here. So they said, according to cryptocurrency exchange data, nearly 1.5 million Indians hold cryptocurrency assets worth 150 billion rupees in India. In the past 6 months, the prices of many cryptocurrencies have skyrocketed. Bitcoin is the best performing asset class for the 2020-2021 fiscal year, with a return rate of over 800%. However, cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. Blah, blah, blah. Too volatile to be called an asset. So they're saying it's too volatile to be called an asset, but they're saying what you should pay attention to, and how you should invest really, is cryptocurrencies are suitable for radical investments. So if you're a risky investor, cryptocurrencies are suited for you. That's why they're suited for me. I'm really risky with it. They're saying not legal tender inside India yet. Individuals who are new to cryptocurrency can invest through blah, blah, blah. Individuals who must invest, you should never put more than 1% or 10% of your portfolio in one crypto. It's true if you're not so risky, but I'm risky, so I'm pretty sure you all out there watching this are also risky and have a bunch of money inside Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. But yeah, diversification is key. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I don't want anyone to buy just because I tell them to buy. I'm not telling anyone to buy. I'm just saying everyone who's ever made it big inside of crypto has held through the bear markets. So if it looks like we're in a bear market, I would say do not sell. And when we finally hit that bull market, when we finally go up, when we finally start rising, you will be happy that you continue to hold, that you had diamond hands. So that is what I'm doing. It's just what I'm doing personally. And we have all the stuff that's going on with Elon Musk and the whole anonymous group. So that is actually going to be, I don't know if it's going to be bad or good for crypto relatively, but I think it may be a little bad for crypto. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu may, see a little bit of a dip because of this hacker stuff. I hope they don't try to hack Dogecoin or crypto, but they do say they are for the people, because if you read this, it says, let's just read this. It says the CEO consequences if he continues to manipulate the prices of cryptocurrencies. So they're really coming at Elon Musk because they think he's manipulating the prices. He's saying stuff, making the price go down. So they think that he's manipulating it. So they're really not trying to tear down Dogecoin. They're really not trying to tear down Shiba Inu. They're just trying to tear down Elon Musk. But Elon Musk is what keeps, the cryptos alive. So if they tear down Elon Musk, they tear down the cryptos also. So that's something that the anonymous group has to think about. If they take Elon Musk down, they're most likely going to take crypto down with them. So I hope that does not happen. But let's see what we have going on here with Shiba Inu on Google Trends. Okay, over here, Shiba Inu coin price breakout Still breaking out here with Shiba Inu, still trending here for the last hour, trending inside California, Nevada, Washington, New Mexico, Hawaii. So Shiba Inu coin price today, we are at a terrible price today, and we still continue to go down. Shiba Inu coin value, the value of Shiba Inu coin, I mean, Shiba Inu will be 1 cent soon in the future. So remember, that's my price prediction, 2025, 1 cent. So will Shiba Inu coin go up? Yep, over time it will. Where can you buy Shiba Inu? Qcoin, Binance if you're outside of the US, crypto.com. I have that link in the description. Almost, you might be able to buy it on Robinhood in the future. So check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood. And you could buy it in the future with Robinhood. Remember, not a financial advisor, it's not financial advice. So it might not happen, or it might happen. I always hear buy the rumor, sell the news. So I'm buying on that rumor right there. But yeah, this is all I have for Shiba Inu today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I gotta keep saying that. And for everyone who's mad saying that they bought it thinking it was going to break out because I said it and it started dipping, do not be mad, because we are all still holding it. We are all still holding this bag. And I know for a fact that Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, everything is going to come up. It's just going to take time. Like, remember what I said about Bitcoin at the beginning of this video, how it took Bitcoin from 2017 to 2020 to finally reach 19K again. It was in 19K in 2017 and went down for a whole 3 years. Four, because now it's 2021. A whole 4 years, Bitcoin went down. And now that it's up, that kind of puts things in perspective. Like, sometimes you have to hold for a long time and dollar cost average in the whole time until it finally reaches a point where it turns around. And remember, this will turn around. Shiba Inu will turn around. Dogecoin will turn around. Bitcoin will turn around. We will get our money back, and we will get a lot of money out of this. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. For a limited time only, you'll be able to get 3 free stocks with Robinhood and 4 free stocks with Webull when you sign up. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.